Antonello Multispectral Imaging System. Colored woodcuts. Let's position the 16th century colored woodcuts under the camera. Add the registration targets. Open Antonello box. Mount the filters adapters. Add the calibration card to the scene. Start with the first filter centered at 405 nanometers. Check focus and exposure. Shoot our first spectral image. Change the filter. Add the second filter centered at 430 nanometers. Check focus and exposure and eventually shoot our second spectral image. Proceed to the third filter and so on until the last one. The 18 spectral images are ready to be calibrated and loaded on the multispectral imaging software. We can make a false color mapping. Each pigment is shown with a different false color. We can reconstruct reflectance spectra and identify pigments. We found modern pigments, such as cobalt blue, cadmium yellow, and chrome green. Clearly, the coloring is not original, but the woodcuts were painted later after the 19th century.